Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back in the building with another motherfreaking video. Today we're here with Beautyforever Hair. I'm installing their 13x4 lace frontal wig. She's 24 inches and the density on her is 150%. But let's get into this lace, okay? I love how small the knots are, and you know when the knots are that small, it's just gonna give you a whole skin melt. It's gonna give you skin, okay? Skin. So guys, off camera I did decide to bleach the knots. I did a little bit of plucking, which is not needed, okay? So this is what she's given. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off of the unit before we install her. I feel like that's a great beginner tip as well, because you won't have to worry about okay, where does this go, or why is it so much? Also make sure you are creating jagged edges, because you don't want a straight blunt hairline going across your head. I'm deciding to use my got2b glue hairspray to lay down my lace. I don't have any foundation or anything underneath the lace as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it just like this. So I'm deciding to take my contour shade from Morphe and place it on the outside of the lace. I feel like since if you put your wig on after you do your makeup, I feel like the hairline would naturally tint itself, so you don't need to add more foundation on the lace. But then I can say you can put more foundation on the outside once you fully secure it, and it'll just be cleaner in my opinion. So I'm going in with my Sleep Mist by Sochar, okay? I'm using this to spray on my hairline before I put any heat to it. We're going to go ahead and take our hot comb and melt everything down. We need everything nice, neat, and laid. If you guys don't know who Sochar is on YouTube, you are living under a mother freaking rock, okay? She does hair videos as well, installs, and I'm completely obsessed with them all. Plus her baby hair is completely obsessed. So I'm going to go ahead and create these baby hairs. Now this video was supposed to go in a different direction because I wanted to do the inspired the trendy baby hairs that everyone has been doing. I've seen them on Diera, I've seen them on Jada Wada, I've also seen them on Aaliyah J as well. I think she recently did a video. So I'm watching the videos and looking at pictures. I'm like, I can do this. I can do this. So I decided to go to Walmart, pick up a ultra slim flat iron for about $15. This goes up to 450 degrees, but it doesn't have like a dial temperature on it. It's only one temperature, so it's only gonna go up to 450. So when I tell y'all this is the business and this is a game changer, sis, this changed my life and my baby hair game. Now I'm trying to construct my hair and do the little wispies, so I'm definitely, you know, cutting different lengths, trying different ways to use the curling iron to flat. I decided to curl it upwards, downwards. I literally have 30 minutes to an hour worth of footage on trying to make this baby hair work. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I understand when you try new things, it's gonna be hard at first, but it's gonna take practice. It's gonna take time. I haven't mastered it, okay? I didn't master it, but yeah. So now I'm using the Baby Hair Goo by Sochar as well. This is hair gel. And when I tell y'all, this stuff is so good. This is like crack for me, okay? Me and my baby hairs, this is like crack. Because I am not using anything else ever. If y'all see me doing my baby hairs, you gonna know this is what I'm using. Because it doesn't give you that hard, stiff look like they just stuck to your head. It's a really soft product, and you're able to create your baby hairs without it getting stuck. Like once you put got2b glue on there, or hair gel, it's stuck. It's like you got to start all over. But with this, you're able to maneuver and just swoop it, and it just glides. And I'm just here for it. It's soft, y'all. It just speaks for itself. So yeah, this is still me attempting to do the baby hairs. I wasn't liking how it was turning out, so I just gave up. I literally gave up. Okay. So if you see my baby hairs, don't say nothing, y'all. I tried. Here I'm just doing my curly hair routine. I'm just using water, my ORS hair foam, and I'm also using my Aussie Frizz Scrunch. I think that's what it's called. I'm using this. Of course, I had to do my curly hair routine because this is water wave hair, so definitely wanted to see what it was giving when it was wet. But I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit, okay? Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like when the curly hair routine is completely finished, okay? This hair is given Scalp. It is given Meltdown to the gods. So this is what it looks like once it's fully dry, okay? And it's cute. I love the curl texture, the curl pattern when it is dry. I'm obsessed, okay? This is definitely summer vacay. This is definitely summer vibes. It's just giving that. Now I've seen people do this hairstyle as well, so I just tried to do 2 braids going down the side and let the curls, do its thing. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this hair. So overall, I love this unit. Now, when I first received the hair, it was nice and soft. It didn't have any type of smell. I was able to run my hands through it, so it definitely did not need co-washing. I only had to co-wash it because I decided to bleach the knots to make it more seamlessly. This unit is giving me so much life because it's definitely giving scalp vibes. Like scalps all day, every day. I'm here for it. I love the smallness of the knots, and I feel like when the knots are smaller, the lace looks more natural and realistic, okay? As far as tangling, I did not receive. Even when I got the hair and ran my hands through it, there was no tangling. And even after detangling and washing it, there was no tangling at all. There was minimum shedding, but as far as tangling, I did not receive. This hair is so freaking bomb. Look at it. Look how pretty this is. I love the waves. It's just giving me life, y'all. I'm about to cry. I'm just kidding. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is pretty much it. All information in regards to the products I picked up will be listed down in the description section below. I am launching a store soon, so don't forget to check out that as well in the description section. So hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, you're gonna see you later. Bye guys.